Vampire's quote-unquote favorite word. And also, you can use something totally unexpected way. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have the word sarımsaq. Sarımsaq. Sarımsaq is garlic or garlic clove. Let's use it in some phrases, and you're going to be surprised how else you can use it. Crushed garlic, a clove of garlic, or to ruin a mood. Əzilmiş sarımsaq, əzilmiş, crushed. Bir dish sarımsaq, literally dish is a tooth. Bir dish, a clove of garlic. Now, this one is interesting. Keyfə sarımsaq doğramaq. Now, literal translation, to chop garlic into one's mood. But it means to ruin a mood. Let's use this in some sentences. Mən şorbaya əzilmiş bir diş sarımsaq əlavə etdim. Very official word, but I'm going to also tell you how to use it like natives. I added a crushed clove of garlic to the soup. Now, şorba is soup officially, but you will also hear soup. That's a loan word from Russian. Actually, you will hear it more than şorba, to be honest. Əzilmiş bir diş sarımsaq is the crushed clove of garlic. Əlavə etdim, added. It's a nice way of saying. Do you know how else they say? They say attım, like throw basically. You throw it in. Mən supa, watch. Mən supa bir diş sarımsaq attım. Mən supa bir diş sarımsaq əzdim. They're trying to say that basically, I threw in crushed clove of garlic. I threw in clove of garlic. I added. So that's the way of using it. Let's see another one. Bu xəbərlə keyfimizə sarımsaq doğramasaydın olmazdı sanki. Let's see why. As if you had to spoil our vibe with this news. Let's break it down. Bu xəbərlə with this news. Keyfimizə sarımsaq doğramasaydın, meaning as if you had to chop the garlic into our mood. Olmazdı sanki, like you wouldn't be possible without it. As if you had to spoil our vibe with this news. Bu xəbərlə keyfimizə sarımsaq doğramasaydın olmazdı sanki. That was my way of using the word sarımsaq in Azerbaijani sentences and phrases. I have an easier one to maybe you will use this. Let's see. I ate enough sarımsaq not to leave the house for a week. That was today's word. Come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com if you're interested in learning Azerbaijani in a much more fun and deeper way.